Samba is very important. Remember, when we bend our leg, when we straight our leg. So we start our choreography, 5, 6, 7, 8. So count 8, we bend our leg, standing leg is bent, Crusado walk position. Now next we're going forward walk, 1. Of course we bend here as well. Then we have 2, we bend here. Now we first lock step, do not bend your leg. So straight leg, 3, so this leg is straight, lock step, and slightly soft knees, 4, super bend here, Crusado walk position. Now we have continuous leg step, no bending, all knees straight. 5 is straight, 6, 7, 8, Crusado walk position, the knees bend. So one more time, a little bit faster. Let's try. Hold your hands so you can feel the motion. So you're going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, straight, 3, bend, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So this is called Crusado walk position. So it has very specific look. The standing leg is bent, the free leg is straight with the high hip and high chest, and with a lot of here compression. This is Crusado walk look. Then you recover from it, going up using your foot, and then you go to another Crusado walk position. There. Then when we do lock step, straight leg, straight. Then of course as this foot comes in, knee slightly soft, and then we have again Crusado walk position on the way off. Yes? Yes, so let's do last time. So we have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. There.